Hi my lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Amy and I'm a cruelty-free makeup enthusiast, blogger, lover of creepy cute things, books, cottagecore, dark academia, light academia, all that kind of fun stuff. So if you're interested in any of those things, remember to give a like, subscribe, and follow if you want to see more of that content. So today we are finally doing a full review and look using the Beautbean x Shroud Cosmetics It's Freaking Bats palette. I ordered this bad boy on October 6th of 2020. Yes, you heard that right, October 6th. So I ended up paying in full. This was $35 plus $6 for shipping and handling. I ended up paying $41 total for this. This did not ship until May 4th of 2021, and I got it on May 11th, 2021. I've been playing with it ever since. I remember when they first teased this palette. This color story is so unique and gorgeous. It's grungy and colorful. Beautbean, she goes by Betty Jean. She is such a sweetheart. I have been subscribed to her for about a year now. I love how creative she is with her looks. Shroud did take a long time to get this out. I know it's just a one-person show. I have ordered from other indie brands that are a one-person show and have received things much faster, but I don't think that they were prepared for the amount of people that wanted to support this collab. Betty Jean is very, very popular. Personally, I have so many eyeshadows that I really wasn't upset waiting. I would have loved to have had this in the fall, but I think it's just going to be so much fun to use for the rest of the year. Let's just get into a bit more about this palette and some swatches. So it begins with Betty Jean's signature introduction saying, "Hello friends." I knew my first collab had to have a spooky theme, and I am thrilled about sharing this moment with a brand I have adored for such a long time. So here are some swatches from the palette. From the left all the way to the right, we have Grim, a deep aqua blue shimmer, Dairy, a deep eggplant maroon purple matte, Zero, a super magical lavender with an intense green duochrome flash, Trappa, the perfect grungy yellow matte, Sam, the most intense light sage green, Adams, a deep rich teal green matte, Apparition, a purple with an intense gold duochrome finish, Spooky, the most perfect creamy periwinkle matte, and Handbook, a gorgeous chartreuse. I've brought you in a little closer so you could watch what I'm doing. Little disclaimer, if I look a little sweaty, it's because I am. It is 90 degrees right now. So let's first start in. I'm going to go into Spooky. This is a beautiful periwinkle shade, and I'm going to use my Lunar Beauty. This is an LBE 3 brush. I'm going to place this on the outer portion of my eye, and then just blend into the crease. Next, we're gonna go into Trappa, which is this grungy yellow matte. I love this name because if you know Halloween Town, then you know that Trappa is just the word apart backwards. So I am taking a Sigma blending. This is an E36 brush, and I am going to ever so gently just blend on top of Spooky. Using a Sigma E33, this is the Detail Diffused Crease, I'm just going to blend these two colors together without using any additional product. Using a Sigma E42 brush, I'm going to go into Adams. This is this really beautiful deep teal green, and I'm going to put this on the inner portion of my eye. Kind of going pretty close to the eye socket, and then just blending into the crease and meeting it up with that periwinkle shade. with that Sigma E33, this is the one that has no product on it, I'm just gonna blend out these edges. So I did notice that this eye actually came up a little bit deeper. There's kind of like a little bit of skipping going on right here. So I'm just taking that same brush, I just put a translucent powder over it, and I'm just gonna go over it to kind of blend out that harsh line. Next, we're gonna go into my favorite matte shade in the palette. This is Dairy. This is like a beautiful, deep eggplant, maroonish purple matte. And I'm gonna go with a pencil brush. This is the Lunar Beauty LBE6. And we're just going to make it a little bit darker on the outer eye. Taking that Sigma Detailed Diffuse Crease again, I'm just gonna go in and blend this out. The metallics on this, can we just have a moment and be like, I don't know which shimmer to go into because I love all of them. I think they are just chef's kiss. They are an amazing formula. I'm thinking maybe we can do a bit of Grim kind of on the outer corner over Dairy, and then we could go into Apparition on the lid. I'm thinking let's do that. So I'm gonna take a very, very small brush. This is the Lunar Beauty LBE4, a small shader packer brush. Feel as pretty as a peacock with this shade.
The way you got me jumping through hoops, all the wishes in the world and I wish for you. I feel like I'm dying. Oh, and
so I think we're gonna have to go into my favorite metallic now. This is Sam. This is the center shade, and oh my god, this color. Sam is a sage green metallic shade, and it is just, it's stunning. I'm actually gonna take my pinky and apply this on. It is so foiled. Do you guys see that? Isn't that so beautiful? Oh my god, this is just, for me, this is such an exciting palette. And you could really, this is just like with one tap going in. Like you could really, really build this up if you wanted to. So I'm gonna go back into Spooky, that's the periwinkle here, and I'm just gonna put this on the lower lash line. Just gonna take a clean blending brush. Clear that up. Here is the final look. So final thoughts now. I have to tell you that I absolutely adore this palette. This is one of the palettes that's come out in the past couple of years that excites me, that I think is so unique. It has such a beautiful and unique color story that you can't really find in other palettes. I think it's beautifully curated. The formula is excellent. I love the shades, and the metallics are just like butter. They're so easy to apply. The mattes, despite them being these kind of grungy, deeper colors, they're really easy to work with. They blend out and they have longevity. When shadows will last throughout the day, that is something that's incredibly important to me as someone who does work full time. So I think you can do simple one and done shades with this. You could just do 2 shades if you're afraid of going like really deep and grungy. And I can tell you without a doubt, this is one of my new favorite palettes. It's just very, very inspiring. So congratulations to you, Beautbean. You'll probably never see this video, but I just wanted to let you guys know this is excellent. Shroud will be restocking this palette as long as there is demand for it. So I know that once the owner is kind of back from her hiatus and everything's back up and running, this will be available. And I know she has now a pressing machine, which will make production go much faster. So when she restocks the store, there will be a lot in stock. So highly recommend this palette. I don't say this a lot about eyeshadow palettes where I'm like, oh my god, go out and get it. But if you like these kind of interesting color stories and you want to support an indie brand, my gosh, this is just so stunning and so much fun. Thank you all so much again for watching. If you made it this far, comment down a little peach emoji because you are sweet as a peach. Come and join the Sweet Peach fam. I would love to have you here. Remember to check me out at my website and on Instagram. All my information is down below. And until next time, remember to stay compassionate and chic. Bye.